bunch of traffic.
Visibility is gone.
Okay, I gotta get off the phone. I just got into this thing. Bye.
Holy cow. Okay, what is this thing? There's no visibility at all. I know. What the hell?
Hey, alright, you guys are still on the phone. I got pulled over here. Okay, bye.